Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine and heat, I can say that. And thanks for asking. And
Sorry?
please you are.
Yeah, I'm fine. And okay, so my name is Sakshi Chauhan. As you know, that I'm born and brought up in Gwalior and MP, and I have completed my master's. So right now I'm a PhD scholar. And apart from that, I'm running my own small coaching classes and my YouTube channel as well. So yeah, that's all about me. I want to know
Okay.
about you also.
Yes, sure, why not? I think your introduction very well and very great, I could say.
Oh, thanks.
First of all, thank you so much giving me this golden opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. This is Somnath Kisko. I am from West Bengal, India. I have done graduation. Now I am pursuing Master of Arts, Political Science. And if I talk about my hobbies are reading, writing, speaking, listening, swimming, dancing,
Oh my.
and it is running my both YouTube channel, English medium and
Oh,
Santali medium. Okay.
okay, great, wonderful. You have a lot of hobbies. How do you give time to each of them?
Yes. But time management nowadays very difficult, I can say.
Very crucial, right? We should know this skill that how to manage our time, right?
Yes. Sometimes try, but my village say network issue many time. Main problem. Okay.
It happens. It happens. No worries. But right now I can see you properly. You're properly audible and visible. No problem. Yeah. Okay.
So
So how day so far? And what is your plan for rest of the day?
then nowadays study running second year. I can say that Master of Arts and my class. I think my village to my class distance minimum Kolkata. Do you know? I think no.
I know very well. West
Mm.
Bengal. Yeah.
Total distance I can say the 100 kilometer above my class and my village side. Okay.
Oh my God. That's too much far. How do you manage to go there?
Try, but nowadays I think any suggestion, many types achievement very important. All person I can say that. Okay. Many
Hmm.
problem, but achieve very important. All person. Why not my
Hmm.
younger brother nowadays start studio, ma'am? Please visit my studio. Okay. Nowadays very
For sure.
my younger brother multi talent. I can say that. Okay. Music composer, singer, actor, director, producer, all type. Okay.
My God.
Please, I said you. Running
Yeah.
my younger brother, I think monetize channel. Minimum approx 30,000, I think subscriber. 30 no 3,000, 3,000. But my younger brother nowadays work many big channel regular. I can say that. Yeah, 20,000, yeah, 30,000 above subscriber. I can, nowadays and very money. I can say that YouTube channel.
Okay. And what about your YouTube channel? Uh, I mean, do you upload every day videos there?
Try, but time study and YouTube channel very management very difficult. I can say.
So when did you start? Have you started recently?
No, just I 3 months ago start.
Okay,
But
3 months. Hmm.
the first time try blog video. Nowadays try conversation video. I upload my total blog video 20. I can say that 20 above. And nowadays regular try many times conversation video.
Okay,
And
and any conversation videos are there?
please tell me.
I mean, you have uploaded some blog videos, and so how many conversational videos are there? I wanted to know this.
Total conversation video. Total my video I can say that 65, yeah, 60 plus I can say that.
Okay, great.
Uh,
It's okay. And what about English? So for learning English, I want to know one thing. For learning English, you have started channel or because of channel you are learning English. What is the first thing that you have done?
I can say that improve myself, and nowadays I think English learning very important. I think student person very important. Why not many times? Yeah, travel purpose. Yeah, many times government exam purpose. I can say that English very necessary nowadays.
That that's true. Right.
And
So
online, offline nowadays technical work you just English letter. Yeah, I can say that many types book. Yeah, many types available English version. I can say that. Uh,
Mhm. Right. So, do you have any routine for your English? Like, as I can see, you have busy schedule. You have your studies and all. So, do you have any particular schedule for your English practice? Like people always go with listening, reading, writing, this kind of thing. So, do you have something, or you are just speaking?
I nowadays try all types, but time some difficult. Okay, but nowadays I learn four language. Okay, Santali, Bengali, Hindi, English. This time, actually, my KG to PG, I can say that Bengali medium,
Mm-hmm.
and this side you just Santali medium, and college nowadays Bengali medium. Many types exam try. I can say that you just and
Okay,
my
right. So,
village. But not.
yes.
I can say that. Interest English speaking my village side. Okay, then difficult.
Okay. So your mother tongue is Bengali, if I'm not wrong.
No, not Bengali, no. Santali.
Okay, that
All
means.
script.
Mhm.
Drupadi Murmu, same caste, I can say that. And president, I can.
Got it, got it. Yes. Right. That means Hindi is also very difficult for you. Do you know Hindi or not?
Yes.
Oh, that's great. Have you learned it?
Learn about.
Have you learned Hindi or are you learning in Hindi?
Yes. Sanskrit, do you know? Sanskrit letter, yeah, Hindi letter, I think is same. Okay. But just,
No, Sanskrit is very difficult. Even I can't speak Sanskrit. I can read, understand because in school time, I think from 6th standard to 10th standard, we study Sanskrit. But apart from that, I don't know Sanskrit. I can't speak even. I can read it, but I can understand even. For reading and understanding, you should know the word. So Hindi and Sanskrit is very far from each other.
far, but letter same. Okay. Letter, yeah, I can say that.
Letter you can say. Yeah, that you can say. Letters are of course same,
Yes.
right?
Language. Please, ma'am, your speaking journey. Tell me. First time, it is for.
Yeah, okay. So that was very simple actually. I have talked about so many times of that. So yes, I am also Hindi medium background. So when I completed my post graduation, then I thought let's start learning English. So I started learning and I used some applications so that I could practice and I could find co-learners. And sometimes I did this. I mean, for a long time, I think 5 to 6 months, I did this, and gradually I got to know about this application. So I started connecting with people, and yes, so far I'm just connecting with people and I'm learning English. Yeah, whatever the concept, whatever the doubt I have, I just used to go to YouTube and I just used to complete that topic, whether it's a grammar topic or vocabulary or whatever the topic is there. I used to go to YouTube and I just cleared my all doubt. So that's
Yes.
how it is.
Yes. That's nice.
Yeah.
Yes. And I think nowadays listening and speaking very important. Any language, I can say that. But
Hold on.
any language, if any person, anytime, I believe that this way. Why not one kids just listening purpose achieve any language? I believe. Okay.
Listening is really very vital, because while listening, I would say in my learning, whatever the English I can speak, I would say 80% things I have learned only by listening. And
Yes,
rest
yes,
of 20% things I have done deliberately, like grammar and all some concept that I have done deliberately. But all these things uh, that I have learned, like so many idioms and so many vocabulary, the sentence formation and everything I have learned just by listening. And by listening,
yes,
I got to know idea. Okay, this this is the word that I will use. This, like pronunciation also. So many
yes,
things I have learned. I would say that listening has contributed, I think, 80% in my English.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
English just language not difficult, I can say.
Hmm. If
I,
you take it as a syllabus or as a just a subject, that would definitely bother you. But
yes,
the
yes,
moment you realize that no, this is just a language, like as Hindi we have learned. How did we learn? We learn just by listening, by understanding, right? That's
yes,
how we can also learn any of language, not only English, but any language. But the
yes,
misconception in mind when it comes to English, that we have to join coaching, and even coaching classes are charging so many, like very high amount only
yes,
for this. But people are not able to understand that coachings are not doing anything. You just have to put your effort. You have to start from your end. Only then you can end up by learning and by speaking English. Yeah.
yes. That's nice.
So their background, I can see there is only forest. I think, like, I can't see
Yes,
anything. Only there are trees and bare land.
yes, yes. Forest. Actually, my village side network issue, but forest side not issue network.
Hmm. Yeah, that is looking so fascinating.
Yes,
So where are houses? I mean, is that far from this place?
yes. Minimum 1 kilometer distance. My, I,
Okay. So why did you come here only for recording this,
yes,
or
yes,
only for having session?
yes. Regular
Okay. So is it not possible at your home? Is there network issue, or there is noise or something else?
yes.
Are
Sometimes
people
network. 24 hours. I can say that my village side issue. And regular try afternoon, yeah, morning time. Regular this area I recorded many times video.
okay? Only this area you come and you record. You have session, right? Because
And
that open place, so you must have good network. Is that
yes,
the issue? Is that the reason? Okay. Hmm.
this area
And
very, I can say that very network. Mm, can say that very profitable. I can say that. Why not the minimum one video upload total time? I can say that minimum 5 minutes. Okay, 20 above 20 minutes above video upload this area minimum total time. Yeah, 5 minutes minimum. Very
wow,
network.
I'm amazed with this, because
Yes,
even my Wi-Fi takes too much time.
not
My Wi-Fi
water.
that
Yes.
even there's a
So
good network and everything. I don't know what's wrong with my Wi-Fi. That takes a lot of time.
yes. Ma'am, my younger brother one song viral. I can say that minimum 7 month, minimum views 20 lakh above. I will
Oh,
send you after all. Okay.
mm-hmm. Great, great.
And nowadays my younger brother, I can say that regular work many channel 15 20 above
Mhm.
already earning money this type channel.
Oh, wow. Too good.
Yes.
That's great. Yeah. Okay, so what is your plan for today? What are you going to do next?
This plan I can say that some paddy field work nowadays. I can say that village side. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay, great. So there you can also find a place. Otherwise, that place is very fine. I think you have blurred that, but if you don't blur that, that is also looking very nice, amazing. Also, you can keep your phone somewhere. That would be, I think, more convenient to you because you must be getting tired by just holding your phone, right? So that is just my suggestion. You can go with that. Otherwise, that place is lovely. I really love this kind of place, like the forest area and
You can.
you
Okay.
know the calmness, the nature. Yeah, I can see. That's wonderful, wonderful.
But sometime come here, this area elephant. Okay.
Oh, okay. Does animal come here?
No, no. Now, nowadays, no come here. I can see it.
Okay, okay. But still, that's good. And you are also doing a lot of things. So best of luck for your future, and just keep doing that. And
Yeah.
yeah, please share your channel's link. I would definitely go through that. Okay.
So,
Okay.
ma'am, please join my Santali conversation. Okay. This type conversation, Santali conversation. Join my channel. Okay.
Okay, but I am unable to understand even a single word. What will I do?
Try nowadays multi talent achieve very important. I can say that any person.
Mm, right, right. I would learn first this language and then I would join. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, fine. So have a good day and thank you so much for joining. It was a lovely session with you. I got to know something uh, new. So I'm very happy and that place was so lovely. Right?
Okay.
So
Thank you
we'll
so
connect.
much.
Yeah, in
Nice to
future.
meet you. Have a good day. Bye bye. Take
Yeah,
care.
bye. Take care.